You gotta take her shirt off, put it on right. She's wearing her skirt up by her boobies. We're gonna move her skirt down there, and you gotta take her shirt and put it right there.
What shoes?
And you can put her shoes on.
Put my shoes on.
You put your shoes on. You put her shoes on. You wanna do it?
I'll do it.
You want me to do it?
Let you do it.
There you go.
This on.
You put it on, Daddy. Watch.
Just.
Good. Good enough. Where's your hat?
I don't know. Probably right here.
Probably right there? Yeah. Put your witch hat on. There you go. You gonna blow me a kiss? Are you too busy with your little brat doll?
I'm too busy. I'm too busy.
You're too busy. Okay. I love you.
And you.